welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarumbai bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The annual Provincial Congress of the Salesian Cooperators of the Province of Canada was held in late January in Toronto. Salesian cooperators from all over the regions of Canada were represented. With the theme, Thought for Living Synodality in the Church, the meeting was held simultaneously in person and online via Zoom with the participation of 21 Salesian cooperators and delegates. The Congress fulfilled formative, elective and presentation purposes. World Coordinator Antonio Bosia and Regional Coordinator Martin Calderon accompanied the event. Lines of Intervention, 6-year plan 2018 to 24 was presented. Then the process for the election of the new provincial councillors was carried out. Father John Luis Maria Pragazam SDB served as electoral president. After the election by secret ballot, the new councillors were named. Their positions were decided at a subsequent meeting. The new members of the Provincial Council for the period 2023 to 26 are Joe Conroy, Coordinator, Rosa de Adario, Secretary, Luis Canfora, Treasurer, Jill Conroy, Formator, and Anne Harding as a Councillor. The SDB delegate is Father Tom Doon and the FMA delegate is Sister Alphonsine Roy. On the solemnity of Don Bosco at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians, Paul Raj Chinapan made his perpetual profession as a Salesian of Don Bosco. The celebration was presided over by Father Mario Villalba, Superior of the Salesian Province of Paraguay PAR, in the presence of Salesians from various parts of the country, faithful and members of the Salesian family. Paul Raj Chinapan is originally from the province of Chennai, India, and came to the Paraguay province as a missionary. He is currently in his final year of theology in San Justo Buenos Aires, Argentina. On February 11th and 12th, the National Congress of Salesian Cooperators was held on the theme, Hope is the Dream of Those Who Are Awake, which was attended by the local councillors of the different centres existing on the island. The Congress was held with the aim of strengthening the Association of Salesian Cooperators in Cuba and achieving greater co-responsibility to respond to the new challenges presented by the Salesian mission. The new National Council was elected for the period 2023 to 26, which will be coordinated by Anya Rabello. The Congress was made possible thanks to Solidarity Aid sent by the Salesian Cooperators of Canada. The opening celebration of the 2023 formation year of the Salesian Novitiate Sacred Heart of Jesus in Barbacena was held on February 10th. 10 novices from the Salesian provinces of Belo Horizon BBH, Campo Grande BCG and Manaus BMA are participating in the formative phase this year. The solemn mass was presided over by Father Natale Vitali BBH Provincial and concelebrated by Father Jefferson Luis BMA Provincial and Father Elias Roberto, Vicar of the BCG Province. The Salesians in formation arrived in Barbacena on February 9th and were introduced and welcomed by the Novice Master and Community Director Father Sidney Manja and other members of the formation community. More than 10 days have passed since the earthquake and subsequent aftershocks that leveled southern Turkey and northeastern Syria. Thousands of people remained buried under rubble and demolition of damaged structures is ongoing. Salesian missionaries in Aleppo countries continues to focus on accompanying and helping people arriving at Don Bosco House, but they are considering a new phase of the emergency after the shock of the first few days. For their part, in Istanbul, the Salesians together with Caritas and the Salesian Cooperators are preparing new aid projects for victims in Turkey. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.